Industrial. Come on, give it up for them, man. Yeah. Rush energy drink. Charlie, smart energy. Oh. This is the one that is effective against fatigue, tiredness, all the other things that come with it, man. This is a strong. You really boost your body. And now they're saying that, you know what, you can be in the comment section right now and tell us about some smart ways you can go about executing some tasks. You understand? Getting things done the smart way. They're going to spot you randomly and reward you. All right? So instead of energy, how can you lift something from A to B in a smart way without breaking your bones? Rush energy drink will reward you. I think they deserve another round of applause. Please give it up for them. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right? And of course, Verna Natural Mineral Water, Original American Cola, and you know them. The McBerry Biscuits. Oh yeah, be them now. XL Tigger as well. They say, please download the TV3 Reality app or dial the USSD code star 713 star 14 hash. All right, star 713 star 14 hash. All right, we need a replacement for my lady who's found love earlier. You understand? So I've got the perfect lady, Tuntum Melanin. You understand? If you see her smiles alone, oh my God. Hey, I'm even getting a crucifix run. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Nana Edo! Go! That's right. Wow, come on. I'm gonna say. That's right. That's right. That's right.
When we take them easy, she said, make hold on. But we could do.
And your model, how long have you been doing that?
For about 3 years.
3 years. Yes. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Nana Edo. That's right. Now, you see, my second guy is here, you know, and this is it. Guys, you have all the power, Ketsi Eteltigo, to predict who goes on a date next. Please go onto the app and do so. All right? Oh, please, who is going on a date next? Hello? Who is going on a date next? Yeah? You be there, be mentioning your roommate. Be there, be mentioning your roommate. Please, the first profile video is ready. Let's take it.
Yeah, Koyaya Spark, a.k.a. Mr. Burberry. I'm a Nigerian that's based in Ghana. Yeah, I'm a stylist, a comedian, and also a movie actor. Yeah, I'm from a family of 13. I'm the 8th born.
My name is Emmanuel Emeka. Actually, I'm a Nigerian and here with my brother and also a friend, Koyaya Spark. We've been friends for more than 3 years and counting. We've done businesses together and he hasn't disappointed me. Yeah,
I like honesty. I like putting a smile on people's face, probably because I'm a comedian, or that's why I choose to be a comedian. Yeah, I like traveling, I like swimming, I like doing what I know how to do best, that is the air stuff. Yeah.
He's those kind of guy that he's fun to be with. He's a crazy dude. He's fun to be with, very calm, trustworthy. He likes being honest, and his favorite color is black and red. And I believe that through this channel, he will get to meet the right person for him.
Hey! Come on! 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 Hey! Come on! Hey! Hey!
Tell me who on you. I will be your sometime. Where you day, I go day with you. Me and you.
Come on, come on, come on,
Where you day, I go day.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Me if I no get a go borrow. Anything from my baby. She know they make a body. Now they give me body. You show me love I never know.
That's right.
You make my heart
That's right. That's right. This way for me, my brother. Come on. And the name again is? What's the AKA? The AKA for?
AKA Mr. Burberry.
Mr. Burberry.
Yeah.
Which one is the Burberry? What does it mean?
That's the shoe.
So Burberry.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I would never have guessed it, right? It's Burberry, the Burberry, right?
Yeah.
That's the Burberry in your own way.
Yeah, in Ghana, call it Burberry, but in Nigeria, call it Burberry.
Burberry,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, sure.
On behalf of Nigerians watching, they don't know you. but what do you make of my ladies, Mr. Burberry? Lack of words.
Wahala.
Ghana women, they
Wahala.
Yeah.
Wahala.
Are you impressed?
Very, very well.
You are sure?
Very, very well.
You are sure that your journey to relationship starts from here tonight?
In fact, I don't start since. So I don't start this thing. I don't start since.
Ladies, you've seen my man, Mr. Burberry. He's a comedian and a businessman.
Actor, yeah. Also a hairstylist also.
A hairstylist?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We see what you've done to your hair.
No, I'm not even started, no.
Okay, all right. So we see what you're about to do to your hair.
Yeah, sure. No, for the ladies, not for me.
You work on ladies' hair?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Ladies. Well, this is in time. Okay, all right. We got 2 more videos to go. 4 rushes off. Let me start with Lydia.
I don't know. I just don't like
You don't like Burberry?
No.
Okay, Nana Edu. This is not what you bargained for.
I think the connection is not there.
The connection is not there.
Yes.
He's a comedian. He will make you laugh. Then you know when ladies laugh, they go like this and then they throw their hair away and then they remember that, hey, yeah, I need my hair back. Oh. Then he will fix it for you.
Yes, and then as I told you earlier, the problem I had previously with
your ex.
guys being around me and all that, he works with ladies as well. So probably I might have that problem too.
Somebody will pour sand in your garri.
Maybe.
Lie. You're not ready for it, eh? Heart breaks. Okay, Gigi Salom.
Giovanni.
Yes, talk to me.
Okay, actually, I don't like his physique.
His physique?
Yeah, I just don't like it.
Slim macho, slim macho.
No. And then he said he comes from a family with
13 kids.
That Ben Obesho me.
Sir.
Oh, yeah. That's one.
That's why he's working hard. He has a lot of businesses.
All
right. Let me go to Betty. Betty.
Giovanni, do you know why I like money? One Nigerian guy chopped all my money. I wasn't a money person. I wasn't somebody who likes money.
Yeah.
But one Nigerian guy, he deceived me and chopped all my money. So me, Nigerian, I'm serious. I'm not in.
All right.
But are you sure? Because Nigerians are the one that spend more. Sure. Then they spend pounds.
Yeah. Andrew, continue. Burberry, you have PROs. You don't have to talk. They will work for you. Continue. Say it.
Yeah, Nigerians, then they spend on it.
Thank you.
Shorties, you get it.
Thank you.
And as he said, like, you be comedian, I want to feel your voice more. Maybe I'm not
Do you do stand-up comedy? Do you have anything for the ladies? Sure. All right, let's hear you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting one of Africa's finest comedians. Give it up for Burberry!
Thank you.
Yes.
See, normally my stage name is MC Talk. Yeah, straight down. You know, I get problem with guests. You know, when they come today, I enter Trotro, you understand? So I deal with so many guests, some kind of fine guys that did the front. 2 of them, they argue. This one say, you did it. This one say, you didn't do it. This one say, you did it. This one say, you didn't do it. So one fine girl from my back, now he just verse. He say, if you did it, say you did it. If you didn't do it, say you didn't do it. I say, wahala, what did happen? And you know, I like Ghana guests anyway. I like Ghana guests. You know, anything what Ghana guests want to do, they must push it on. Then they cook rice or push it on. They'll cook or push it on. I say one day, I called one guy say, make it cook water for me, make a bath or water. I say, boil water, I say, turn water. And I say, baby, please, don't push it on. I say, push it on. Cook pepper.
Whoa! Are you convinced? Wow, that's impressive. Are you convinced? Small. Wow, nice.
Giovanni, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced at all. It wasn't funny, seriously.
But you laughed.
No, I didn't laugh. No disrespect, but...
You didn't laugh. Wait, let me ask the studio audience. Did you laugh?
Giovanni, I'm sorry, it wasn't funny to you. Yeah.
Don't worry, maybe your rush is still on. So maybe after the next videos. Okay. All right, maybe the next video you'll be convinced. Maybe yours is not to make you laugh. Maybe yours is your hair you want to be attended to. You understand? But he's a man with it all. And am I not speaking for you, my brother? Why are you making me?
Yeah, you are.
Thank you. Burberry. Benedetta.
Yeah, it's because
Like he was looking this way, so me myself, I didn't hear what he was saying.
But you laughed?
Yes.
So what were you laughing at again?
Because everyone was laughing. That's
Wow, no.
And a girl that is a confidant to him, somebody he can easily talk to without getting a bad energy. So a girl that will always motivate him and bring out the best in him.
And somebody that can support you to grow in life, yeah.
At least now we know why his last relationship ended. And I'm sure a lot of you also have similar questions on mind about why you would want to go in for a Nigerian. Maybe yes or no. Yes. But this would be a nice opportunity for you to tell us why any young lady here consider you for a relationship and possibly marriage. Yeah.
You know, that girl face that girl hide, they doing okay. I don't understand. Then they look me again now. She will quarrel. I don't understand. She they confused. I ask me the question again. That girl don't carry my this. Don't carry everything come out.
The lady deleted the question in your head.
Shouldn't I look at you again?
Is it?
Shouldn't I look at you?
Is it you are doing your you
Why are you
don't
looking at him? What's your rash? He's talking.
Nikki.
Question again.
Hey, Nikki. All right. So the question is, why should anybody? I know Ghanaians are very loving people. We accommodate all manner of people, all races, all countries, ethnicities, and all that. But maybe for someone watching up right now, maybe why would any lady here want to settle with you? Push yourself. Promote yourself. I'm giving you the platform.
See, you know, normally, we all be black. Normally, we have material. Calm down. I reach there. You understand? Normally, see, we are not black. You understand? So I know they see. If you look and go back, you see, say we come for the same father, the same mother.
True.
You understand? So some people now they say because say this one Nigeria, this one Ghana, it's not gonna make sense. Not lie.
That's right.
You see, we get bad Nigerians, I also get bad Ghanaians.
That's right.
You understand? Bad there everywhere, good everywhere.
That's right.
You understand?
That's
so,
right. Very necessary. I needed him to clear that before we decide. So, ladies, second video done. Decision time. All right, soldier go, soldier come. Lydia, you are back. Suddenly, it's connected. What happened to the device? Did you change the device?
Okay. I'm a good listener, and his friend mentioned that he wanted someone who could listen to him when maybe he's planning one or two things.
Yeah.
And also, he said he wants a woman whom like he can invest in.
Yeah.
And I think I'm interested in that aspect.
That's right.
Because I want generous guys.
Wow. Okay. Nikki, after defending him, your rash is off. Why?
I really like him, but the way this girl was looking at him, maybe after choosing me, he'll turn back and...
Oh, wow. All right. Sorry, you've not spoken much today. I thought you were connecting, but still.
It's not pairing.
You have watched the second video, but still.
Giovanni, it's not pairing.
All right.
I remember time ago, like Nigerians have this perception. When he came in, I was giving him a 50-50, but it's like, still, I have that fear in me. I was with one guy, a Nigerian, like an old relationship. And he told me to come over. You know, I'm also inquisitive. Baskets, and I went to see some used stuff on and I think some were breaking the virginity. You know, I fear.
Okay. All right.
And the second call, I asked him, say, "Well, Baba picking me," and I say, "Your father get car." He insulted me.
Wow.
It's true. I'm sorry.
All right. So we have a final video.
Please, I want to talk.
Okay, sure.
You say you need a discipline. You want a disciplined girl, right? Me must say I want to cheer. Me, I know they hear. So I don't know if you can handle me. I saw the board.
She's a bit stubborn. She's a bit stubborn. Can you handle the package? That's what she's asking.
Wahala. We there together. Anyone, cohort.
Allah. Okay. Man, no, they fear nothing. That's right. Okay, so let's go for the third and then the final video after which we decide. All right? Third and final video.
I see myself owning one of the biggest hairdressing shop. One of the biggest salon in Ghana here.
Well, his ambition, he's a stylist and He has been into it for more than decades, and from our past conversation, he's like he wants to own one of the biggest salons here in Ghana, and also to teach many people the right way of earning a living legally.
Yeah, if I've been given 100,000, why not? I'll return the glory to God first and pay my tithe first. Then I will invest in real estate business, or I'll be importing some human hair from Vietnam. Yeah, Vietnam.
Well, he's this kind of person that likes smelling nice, so he cherishes perfumes very well.
Date rush, everyone deserves love.
Date rush! Give me energy, give me energy. Date rush!
Everyone deserves love.
That's right. And big shouts once again going out to Rush Energy Drink. When I say Rush Energy Drink, you say the smart energy. Rush Energy Drink!
The smart.
That's right. Let's go. Decision time, ladies. Final video done. Oh, okay. Wait. Before that, Lydia.
Yeah. I like every aspect, like everything about him.
Yeah.
Yeah, even like his Nigerian tribe, I like it. I like being called Omalicha. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. But before anything, I want to know, I still stand on me liking someone who is a celibate. Can he wait?
Because what? You are one yourself?
Let's not go there, but
Okay.
that's what I
right.
want.
So she's not ready for now. Are you willing to talk to your to cool down, slow down? When that time is ready, then you can. Do you get the question?
I get the question.
You get it?
Yeah.
All right.
I want to ask her for how many years?
Okay, I believe in after marriage. So if it's going to get somewhere and then we get married, then
All right.
I'm cool
So
with that.
you're not doing sex till marriage,
Yes,
which is
so
a good thing.
are you interested?
So are you willing to go all the way? She wants to know. And I'm sure others have questions too. I'll take 2 more questions quickly.
If at all.
All right.
If at all.
Yeah.
I've answered your question. I said if at all.
Okay. If at all. Okay. Yo.
Thank you.
All right.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Okay, my
Yes, it is.
question
Yes.
for him.
Uh-huh.
I want to ask you, if you should take me home to Nigeria, and your parents are like, no, I know they like Ghana woman, what are you going to do?
I'm a man. I'm not a woman. So my parents should decide for me.
I like it.
You understand? For myself.
All right. Okay.
You say you take the girl to Nigeria.
I didn't say so.
Okay. You are saying that.
Okay.
Gavani,
So, yes, talk to me.
I want to ask him a question.
Yeah.
Are you going to be in Ghana your whole life, or you are planning like you will be living to Nigeria?
No, I've come to stay.
Okay.
I've come, but I can go and visit and come back, but I've come to stay.
All right. All right, ladies.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Okay, his
Last
friend,
question.
Yeah, his friend was like, he likes someone who has bad energy. I quite don't understand what he means by that.
Clarify that.
I
your
said
friend.
I don't like bad energy, bad vibes. That was what he said too. You don't like bad energy. No.
All right. Okay.
Bad vibes.
Ladies.
Dream killers. I don't like it.
Dream killers, bad vibe. He doesn't like it. All right. Decision time. Final decision. All right. What do we have? My brother, you are in luck. In fact, this season I said blackout in Nyejuma. And Allah. Hey, okay. My brother, are you loving and liking what you are seeing? Only one. What just happened? Who off light? What just happened? Benedetta. Oh. I was excited for the two of you. What changed?
Yeah.
Talk to me. What changed? Talk to me.
It's like I'm not feeling the vibes, no.
At which point, At which point didn't you feel the vibe? Because this vibe there, I said, at this point.
Because I was thinking like going maybe like if we marry, are we going to be in Ghana? Like I'm confused.
Yeah, but he told you he's here to stay. Or he replied you that he's Nigerian. Of course, you would have to go home visit, but he's in Ghana to stay.
I can't leave my guy to be traveling all day, like going back and forth.
Please,
Okay.
can I come?
Yes, please.
He can't say he's staying in Ghana forever. Is he leaving his 13 siblings behind? No, he will definitely go home.
What is happening? Okay, ladies.
And he's not staying here forever, so it means he'll be going home.
That's okay. Okay.
My dear,
Let
stay
me
here.
let
Okay,
me
let's
let me
chop
engage
Ghana jollof.
Burberry, sir. Unfortunately, ladies, I want to say the rashes are not on now. I mean, you now you can see, but I'm equally confused. You know, I didn't see this coming. This is the first time this season that someone is getting blackout, which means that you're probably going to live here without a date. But is there one person you wish had the rash on? You probably connected with while she came on.
Yeah.
Who?
Can I?
You can mention name. You can mean.
Let me just. I just want to go personal.
All right.
Yeah.
A moment of silence.
I don't know what I'm talking.
What do you want to tell her? Speak up so we can hear you. What do you want to tell her? Speak up. We want to hear you, both of you.
I would like to. I wish to give you a chance, but the connection is not there. Sorry. I can do it. We can dance, and I think. Okay.
Oh,
Sorry.
Seriously, it's broke your heart too. You broke my heart. Oh.
All right.
I'm so sorry.
At least we've tried his stride. Benedicta says she can't force what is not there to be there. We probably will give you another chance.
Another chance?
Yes.
Okay.
We hardly do this on the show, but I don't know.
Yeah, sure.
Where were they going? What's happening?
You know, I was actually coming to her. It's like she's seeing my face. I don't know. So, I think, in fact, nothing. I'm convinced, and I know.
Joe, then.
Nikki, are you convinced? Giovanni, no, I just wanted to escort him. Like, if you go alone now, I feel so sad. So
All right. We are very sorry, sir. But don't worry. Good thing is that there is a whole... Hello, sir. Sir, don't worry. Don't be in a rush.
Oh, sure.
Don't... That's okay. We understand. A lot of things happen on the show. But you see, you're a very handsome man.
Yes,
you're
sir.
focused. You have your whole career ahead of you. Yeah, you know what you want. And I love the fact that you're willing to go for it. But maybe on this show, no. But there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. I know I'm not making sense right now. He's probably not even listening to me. But this is the end of the road. Thank you.